Let's go ahead and go now to one of my favorite ones, which is actually version control. So this is a demo FlyMSG here, but inside of here, you can see that there's two things. One, you see this little thing called 6, the number 6, and it looks like a clock to me, but it's called our versions if you mouse over it. You can get to this version control here, or you can get to it when you open it up as well by mousing over it. So let's click on version control. Whoa, what is that? So cool. So many users have asked us, they said, hey, we make changes to our messages all the time, but I want to go back to some of those older messages. Well, if you're a freemium customer, you're going to get access to a few of these. If you're a starter customer, you're going to get access to a bunch more of these. And if you're a growth customer, you'll get access to up to 999 versions of this particular message. So what is it? Well, let's pretend I want to go backwards in time. I want to actually look at a previous version that I had. I click on preview and bada bing, bada boom. I can see the current version and I can see an older version, the date it was saved and the time as well. I can also see my fly cut, what was the fly cut that I had before and after. In this case, it's the same, along with if I change the title and description. Now, you might be wondering what's the difference between these two messages. It's very, very subtle. There's an extra space right here on this image that is not here between the paragraph and the image. So if I wanted to revert it back, all I have to do is click make current version and boom, you go backwards in time and you can make that version the current version. With that in mind, version control is in full effect. I could also delete this version if I wanted to, and straight from right here on this view, I could make this version a current version as well. So that is now version history. You have the ability to go backwards in time, and guess what? We're saving all of them. So every time you make a change, we will record a version inside of FlyMSG. You do not have to worry about saving it. It's automatically being saved. And we'll record all those versions for however long you have the use of FlyMSG. So that is version control. Super hot, super sexy. You may have noticed that in all your FlyMSGs, they inherit this big button called Action. When you click on it, you actually have 3 items: preview, word count, and version history. Version history is just another way to get access to the same thing I just showed you, which is right here.